Hello, I'm Cal Roberts and you're watching the Soon Sessions. This song is called Breaking News. Please click subscribe to see some more videos.
Breaking news from broken homes, your daddy was never there. Stumbled on like badly set bones, and no one cares. Mum's on the dole, dad's broke parole, what hope for little Tommy now? A nation's pride's been kicked aside, his trousers have fell down. The news from broken Britain, we are fighting on two fronts. There's blood for oil and on home soil, another kid's picked up a gun. Breaking news and broken hearts, a lover he coughs up blood. He went out last night, a pint and a fight, now his sweetheart she lives alone. We are pride with extreme prejudice, ill-informed and ill-advised. Your journalists are bigots and your TV's telling lies. We should talk through our problems before we dig the trenches. We're a nation of borders and boundaries and fences. We should talk through our problems. I'm tired of digging trenches. We're a nation of borders and boundaries, barbed wire fences. I don't read the red top rags, they got nothing good to say. Full of fake boobs and real assholes, full of tits and outrage. High above the Atlantic, those executives take lunch. They made off with the credit and they left us with the crunch. Breaking news and broken bones, another abducted child. I'm sick of broken Britain, gonna leave my TV off a while. Because a double dip recession makes for reality TV. We're a nation frozen to the box as we sink into the sea. We are pride with extreme prejudice, ill-informed and ill-advised. Your journalists are dickheads and your TV's telling lies. We should talk through our problems before we dig the trenches. We're a nation of borders and boundaries and fences. We should talk through our problems. I'm tired of digging trenches. We're a nation of borders and boundaries, barbed wire fences. A nation of haters and disgusted faces. A nation of shopkeepers, casual racists. A nation of grafters on front lines and in trenches. Of borders and boundaries and barbed wire fences. We should talk through our problems before we dig the trenches. We're a nation of borders and boundaries and fences. We should talk through our problems. I'm tired of digging trenches. We're a nation of borders and boundaries, barbed wire fences.